Hello my dear students, today's topic is the rainbow, that is a short poem of this rainbow. Students, have you seen the rainbow on the sky? Yes. How does it look like? Yes, it's a beautiful, right? Students, do you know what are the colors of the rainbow? Yes, that is short form of the colors of the rainbow with Gaia's, right? So, rainbow's colors of the violet. Students, do you know what are the colors of the rainbow? Yes, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are all 7 colors of the rainbow. It's looking like a very beautiful on the sky. Today we will discuss about the poem of the rainbow. Okay dear? Students, this poem written by Christina Rossetti. First we will know the introductions of the poet. Who is the poet? Yes, Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti was an English poet who wrote a variety of romantic and devotional poems. She came from an Italian family and her father was an Italian poet. Her brother Dante Gabriel Rossetti was one of the famous painters of his age. Her most famous poems include Goblin Market, Remember and In the Bleak Midwinter. These are all her famous poems. Okay dear? Yes. The rainbow is a short little poem which shows us how beautiful and extraordinary the sight of a rainbow is. We see rainbows very rarely in the sky. So, enjoy reading this unique little poem. Okay dears? Once again, name of the poem is The Rainbow. Okay dear? Now, I will sing the song, this poem. All are enjoy yourself. You also recite with me as same as like me. Let me start dear. Yes.
Boat sail in the rivers and ships sails on the seas. Boat sails in the rivers and ships sails on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Boats sail in the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Boat sails in the rivers and ships sail on the seas. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Boat sails in the rivers and ships sails on the seas. Boat sails in the rivers and ships sails on the seas. But the law that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. But the law that bridges heaven and the overtop the trees. Boats sail in the rivers and ships sails on the seas. Boats sails in the rivers and ships sails on the and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. Boats sail in the rivers and ships sail on the seas. Boat sails in the rivers and ships sail on the seas.
Students, it's a very wonderful poem, right? Are you enjoyable yourself? Yes. Students, now I will explain this poem. Okay, it's a short poem, right? All of you open your textbook, page number 53. Students, The Rainbow is short, fascinating poem about worthy children eagerly wait for when it rains. Right? All are waiting for rains. Yes. Here is the 7-color bow is a rainbow. Already I told that. What are the 7 colors of the rainbow? Yes. Violet, indigo, blue, yellow, green, red, orange. Right? So these are all 7 colors of the rainbow. What is the rainbow's Kannada meaning? Yes. What? Kamanabillu. Right? Yes. The poet says that the boats and ships sail over the rivers and seas. Students, do you know where is sails on the ships and boats? Yes, the sail over the rivers and seas, right? Yes, but clouds are prettier as the sails across the sky. The cloud only, it's a looking like a prettier, no? So it's a, what's the meaning of prettier? Yes, ಅಂದವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನಬಿಲ್ಲು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ prettier of the rainbow as the sails across the sky. Okay, so the rainbow are prettier as the sails across the sky, right? Have you understood first stanza? Yes. Second stanza tells us that the bridges on the rivers are beautiful. Students, do you know where is the bridges? Yes, on the rivers, right? So, but what is more pleasing is the rainbow. Here is the rainbow is a very pleasing to them, right? Yes, as it sounds high up of the trees and appears as the bridges between the earth and the sky. Okay, so bridges, where is in bridges? Yes, bridges is between the earth and the sky. ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕಾಶದ ನಡುವೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? Bridges ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It's looking like a very beautiful, right? Yes, the sight of the rainbow is appeals a lot to the young minds as it is a rare event and we hardly get chance to see a rainbow. Okay, it's looking like a very rare of this moment, right? Students, it is all about this rainbow's explanations. Have you understood here? It's a very beautiful poem, right? Yes, students, it is the end of this poem. Hope you all understood, students. Thank you.